The Villas is the low-rise, low-density condominium development in Seafront Residences, the first residential community by Aboitiz Land and the first residential project launched in Luzon. Today, you will have a chance to take a peek at this amazing property. I am Alexi, and this is a tour of the one-bedroom Seafront Villa model unit. This is a condominium-type property that offers great views of Tayabas Bay and Mount Manahaw. It is the perfect definition of convenient seaside living because of its great amenities and the accessible town center. It is best for investors that are into leisure properties, whether you choose to have it rented out or enjoy it for yourself. Seafront Villas is located within Seafront Residences, a 43-hectare beach community that offers a variety of residential units, beach condominiums, and residential lots. This community is highly amenitized aside from having beachfront access. You can guarantee that there is ample space for leisure and relaxing. Each Seafront Villa building has 8 one-bedroom units with balcony, 2 two-bedroom garden units, and 10 parking spaces. For most people, the dream is to live closer by the sea. By investing in the right place, you could be closer to that reality. This is the living room kitchen space of the Seafront Villas model unit located at the Aboitiz Land sales office right here in Alabang. And if you want to check it out yourself, just head on to the address being shown on screen right now. Now keep in mind that this current model unit makes best use of 33.6 square meters, which means that the deliverable will actually be bigger than as seen here. The actual one-bedroom villa is a 45 square meter unit that comes with 1 toilet and bath. Very easy to maintain since the floor area is smaller than a house. It comes with 1 parking space as well. Now this is perfect for couples looking for an escape from the city as they work from home. Now the nautical beachy vibe of the interior here is just one of the many different ways that you could dress up this unit. I mean, don't you feel like you're waking up in a hotel room or something? Now this door leads to the balcony that offers views of the community at Seafront Residences. I mean, you can imagine yourself waking up to this view with a nice cup of coffee, right? Now let me take you over to the living space. This living area can easily fit a 3-seater couch and an accent chair. Also a coffee table. And you can make use of a ceiling fan to maximize a natural sea breeze. So from your living room area, you get a nice view. And you can also make use of a mirror like this to make the room look bigger and balanced. Now moving over to the dining space. As you can see, this dining table comfortably fits 4. And one way to give some character to your dining space is to make use of the dining bench, and this one seats 2 comfortably. And look at these mahogany chairs, very, very nicely upholstered. And if you remember, the pendant lights, but this time in a rattan finish. Moving over now to our kitchen. Now, this counter can be extended to, again, your liking, for more space for cooking and, of course, food preparation. And look how nice this backsplash is. This really reminds me of brick, but it's toned down just a little bit to make it look more sophisticated. And again, we're seeing lots of storage space above and below, which also helps to avoid clutter in the home. And you probably caught the attention of this white accent wall right here. What it does though is make the room feel brighter and bigger. And one way to make your rooms feel this way is to make use of light colored walls, and that will surely do the trick. I really like there are a lot of elements here that give off a tropical vibe, like the starfish on the coffee table or this fish model on top of the cupboards. It's just these little pieces that really accentuate your home. And of course, let's not forget the plants, okay? Plants add a whole lot of energy and life to a home. I mean, it is a must, if I say so myself. Let's go check out the bedroom. Now this is the bedroom that has an ensuite bathroom and can easily fit a queen-sized bed. Has enough space for a closet too. I like that there's a lot of blue elements here. I mean, look at this wallpaper. Makes me feel like I'm inside a cottage or maybe even a boat. And again, with all the little elements like the dried flowers, the rattan rug, the seashell right there, and again, getting nautical vibes from this pillowcase. There's a lot you can do with this space and get so much inspiration from the sea. I love it. Now let me show you the bathroom. We're seeing a concrete feel in this, which really gives it a natural and contemporary vibe, which honestly makes it a whole lot easier to clean and maintain. I like that there are multiple mirrors here, again to give the illusion that the space is bigger than it actually is. And that shelf up there is a really smart way to maximize your vertical space. And am I the only one who loves glass partitions in bathrooms? I mean, it really gives such an elegant and sleek vibe. So good. And that ends the tour of our one-bedroom seafront villa. Seafront Residences takes pride in creating a community that gives you a relaxing, vibrant, and safe space to live in. Its goal is to create a tight-knit beach community where neighbors have a sense of connectedness to create memories together. Equipped with world-class amenities such as an infinity pool, jacuzzi, an outdoor play area, a pool deck for events, diamond parks, and many more. You can surely feel like you're not just investing in a home, but also a 5-star beach club of your dreams. Another great thing to note here is that this is also a great investment, especially for people who want to create a business and rent out their condo unit. And since the tourism industry is booming once more, it surely is going to be easy to rent out an investment like this that could give renters a marvelous vacation experience. And with the ongoing infrastructure developments around South Luzon, this property will definitely make you feel like you're in paradise with the accessibility of cosmopolitan comforts. Well, that's it for me today. Again, I'm Alex C. And to know more about Seafront Villas, you can check out our official Facebook and Instagram page to book a visit. Whether you're trying to escape city life or embrace the wonders of nature, Seafront Villas might just be the perfect place for you. Thank you for touring with me again today.